All through May and June, people in North India were wondering where the summer has gone. Well, midsummer madness has now struck. North India is melting under an intense heat wave. In Delhi, Thursday saw a 90-year-old record being broken. At 43.6 degrees, this was the hottest day in July since 1931. That's a 90-year-old record. Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana also on the boil as we speak. The United States of America and Canada are burning as well right now with monster heat waves. Antarctica, one of the coldest places on the planet, has recorded a temperature of 18 degrees. This happened last year. Can we put it all down to anomalies to climate change? Well, no. But there is overwhelming data that suggests that global warming is pushing the weather to extremes. Extreme heat waves, extreme cold waves, extremely high rainfall, droughts, extreme typhoons, extreme floodings. Is climate karma playing out for us? We are looking at that on Debrief today. Let's start with why North India is burning.
It's hot. It's humid. It's dusty. It's hell on earth. With a maximum of 43.6 degrees Celsius, Thursday was the hottest July day Delhi had seen in 90 years.
Residents of Delhi NCR are going towards the mountains, towards the hill station to beat the heat waves that we are currently facing in the national capital Delhi. But what is important is that for the official arrival of monsoon, it will take some time. So Delhiites will have to wait for that.
It's a monster heat wave that has left the citizens scorched by the blazing sun and the gusty winds.
धूप ज़्यादा हो रही है तो इसकी वजह से गमछा बांध रखा है और बारिश भी नहीं हो रही। सोच रहे हैं कि बारिश हो जाए तो थोड़ी बहुत राहत होगी, ठंडक आ जाएगी।
एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा हो जाएगा, क्लीन हो जाएगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली बारिश होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी। अगर वो एनवायरनमेंट ही क्लीन नहीं होगा तो कहाँ से होगा?
टेम्परेचर इतना ज़्यादा है कि आज तक मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ही दिल्ली एनसीआर में 5 साल हो गए हैं, बट फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने इतनी गर्मी महसूस की है। अभी तक वैसे बारिश हो जानी चाहिए।
ऐसा लग रहा है रेगिस्तान में आप दौड़ रहे हो, तो उसके लिए बड़ी तकलीफ हो रही है।
गर्मी पिछले साल से ज़्यादा ही पड़ रही है इस साल, और भाई मैनेज तो यही हो रहा है, हाइड्रेट रखो अपने आप को।
The heat has sent the capital's peak power demand soaring. Thursday saw the demand cross 7,000 megawatts for the first time in its history, up from 6,921 megawatts the previous day and far above last year's previous peak of 6,300 megawatts. But while Delhi is struggling for more power, neighbouring Punjab has already thrown in the towel, with the state facing power cuts of up to 14 hours a day. Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has pressed the panic button and slashed working hours in government offices to 6-hour shifts. And with elections on the anvil, power supply is now the biggest issue for netas eyeing a return to power.
अफसोस है कि कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ने पिछले 4 सालों के अंदर जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर असी बनाया सी बिजली महकमे का, वो सारी इन्वेस्टमेंट नू इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नू मेंटेन ही नहीं किया।
आज पंजाब के कोने-कोने में 10-10, 12-12 घंटे उस समय बिजली के कट लग रहे हैं जिस समय हमारे चावल की बिजाई होनी है, जिस करके आज किसानों के उनका चोना, उनका चावल सब सड़ रहा है, उनको उसको पट के उसको खत्म करना, नष्ट करना पड़ रहा है। ये हालात पैदा हो गए हैं।
But if you've been looking skywards for relief, then you're in for a shock. The Met Department isn't promising any relief in the form of rains in Delhi till at least the 7th of July, making this the most delayed monsoon ever in the past 15 years. So why is it so unbearably hot this time in the national capital? Experts point to 4 key reasons: delayed onset of the southwest monsoons, dry and dusty northwesterly winds, the denudation of the Aravallis which has brought the Thar Desert closer, and overall global warming caused by climate change. From extreme heat to biting cold, not to mention choking pollution, the north, especially Delhi, is becoming rapidly unlivable by the day. With Nikhil, Ritanshu Bhattacharya for CNN News 18.